Visiting Ekwulobia flyover barely after 7 months was supposed to be a thing of joy for me, but upon arrival at the Saints, the joy was still there but not influence. Wanna find out? Stick to the end of this video to see the reason. Ekwulobia flyover was commissioned on the 20th June 2023 and the project was scheduled to be completed within 18 months. Ending of last year, the flyover was asphalted and the construction of the Light of the Nations Tower commenced by the side. The time given for this project to be completed elapsed last year, December 2024, and this is barely 7 months after I visited the construction site to go and see if there's any other thing that has been done since then, and lo and behold, not much has been done except the further beautification of the flyover, installation of other lights, and the rising of the nation's the Light of the Nations Tower. Arriving here, one obvious thing I could notice is that the flyover has been decongested. All the people selling around and under the flyover, including motorists and all the parks within around this place, has been sent to the new park built between Nankabandre and Ekwulobia. I started this filming just after the newly constructed park because anybody coming to this particular flyover right now have to go to the park first, and then from there you take another bike down to this flyover. So without wasting much of your time, let me give you the full details of what we saw the day we visited. So we are currently on the top of the flyover, heading to up, and from here I'm gonna be showing you the newly under construction Ekwulobia shopping mall, which is supposed to be modern bus terminal when they started, but due to we now have a park around here, so they decided to convert the supposed modern bus terminal to now shopping mall, and this is the view. I'll still show you more of it. So right now we are heading to go and see that a long pipe being installed at the top, and this is what this particular shopping mall looks like from the top of the flyover, and I'll also show you the looks of the the adjoining road heading to Oko looks like also from the top of the flyover what is currently looking like, the other things that have been put in there, and also some traffic light that have been installed on the both sides of the road, on this side and the other side of it, and you have to obey the traffic, not like before when people just beat traffic anyhow. So you have to obey it. One thing I just love about this area is that the area was decongested and it's looking more nice and good. But the Okada rider that took me to this place, when I somehow said I was very happy or okay with the way they decongest the area, the man somehow complained, and he was like people can easily be robbed right now here because the place has been decongested and no much crowd here again, that it will not be very easy for robbers to rob people around this place. So I clearly get where he's heading to, but I believe when this construction is completed and open up for motorists, with the installation of the light and everything, this place will be free from those things, I think. And what you just watched earlier is the view of the view of the road heading to Usofia, Ibuku, and the rest from the top of the flyover. So from here we are heading down to the other side that's heading to Nanka, and this is the the current installation of pipe that we hold the light. That type of light you see in Aroma and the Ekoka, I think Aroma and the water flyover in Oka. So that's the type of thing they want to build here, but it's not exactly the same type, because that of Oka's own is suspended on top of the flyover, while this one has a base on the on the ground. And there's another thing I wanted to say here, but I won't be talking much on it until when they are completed. Then I will see what they are actually doing and know what I will say about it, because I've watched it on somebody's video last time I checked. So some of the base for those pipe, like this one you are seeing over here, you can see that they tend somehow come out a little bit to the asphalted road. And if you are watching it, you can see that um motorists might collide with it when it's completed. But let's just keep that one aside until it's completed. Let's see if there's anything they want to do about it. So this is the current looks of the under the flyover. And over here another beautification is also going on, like painting and some materials to it kind of beautify the under more further. So from here we are heading down to the other side to go and see what is going on there, and also show you the unders. In short, all the unders has been painted, and the ground floor is waiting to be touched also, with some road caps being being put in place. So this is everything we could cover when we visited. And another thing we also saw here is that I think the Light of the Nation tower, or should I say just tower, is rising with speed, and some other materials that's needed for the completion of the work is already there. So we are looking forward that very soon the tower will be completed, and the flyover will also be fully completed and open up for motorists. I can't wait for the all the street lights to be installed and fully functional in in time being. So this is the look of the under the flyover, and if you watch very well, all those banana sellers, motorbikes, and everything have been moved to the newly constructed park. This place is now looking so okay and very very nice. I really love the fact that they decongest the area, even though I know not everything that happened will please everybody, but I can tell you it's looking more okay than the way it was before. Then this is another base that you just watch, and another thing you could see here is the ongoing coverage of the drainage system, because the last time I visited this location, it happens that they say they will cover the drainage system to also use it as walkways for the people. And this is the road leading you to Oko. This is what is currently looking like. You can see that they have planted some flowers over there. Those are the street lights that I was telling you. So this is the a kind of the shape of the flyover from the side of Oko, the road that's leading you to Oko. This is what the shape of the flyover looks like from this side. So now we are heading to the side of Nanka to show you the remaining part. So guys, this is where I'm gonna be cutting the video. If you have any comments, do drop them via our comment sections, and don't forget to give us a like, thumb up button, and don't forget to share the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share to get to wider audience. Give us your own take concerning the whole thing. Do have a wonderful day.